Hey, good morning, guys. So I've been thinking about a strategy that we are taught as law enforcement officers when effecting an arrest, and that is the ask, tell, make model. So I want you guys to understand that the ask, tell, make model is used for affecting any arrest. So if we have determined that somebody has violated the law and we need to take them into custody, the first thing we do is ask them, hey, turn around, put your hands behind your back. The reason that we do that is because we want to effect the arrest without injury, without use of force. And if we're able to do that, everybody wins. But if that doesn't work, then we turn up the heat a little bit to the tell model. And now I'm going to change my demeanor. I'm going to be a little more aggressive. I'm going to have a different posture. And I'm going to say, hey, get on the ground. That is going to hopefully allow that suspect to realize, okay, this is no longer up for debate and I'm being taken into custody. And at that point, hopefully they get on the ground and they comply. If ask doesn't work, tell doesn't work, then you move to the make phase, where you physically effect the arrest through use of force or implementation of tools. Now, I'm drawing a parallel to what we're taught as police officers when dealing with a criminal suspect to how the United States government is treating us as citizens. Look at what's happened over the last 20 months in regards to the mandates. We were asked, then we were told, and now we are in the make phase. Make no mistake about it. Initially, remember, it was, hey, if you want to save your community, go ahead and do this. And they were coming at us with a non-aggressive posture. Then they turned up the heat a little bit to the tell phase. And right now, we're in the make phase. They are making us through threatening our livelihoods, your pensions, your retirements. I'm hearing stories about people being dropped from their medical if they don't comply. We are 100% in the make phase. And so I ask you again, where's the hard line? Where are you going to draw the hard line? I have been told by a lot of people that, my hard line will be when they come after our kids. Well, just so you know, fall of 2022, if your kids aren't in compliance, they're probably not going to allow them back in school, at least on the West Coast. I know in Washington State, that looks like that's where this is going. So I asked you guys, what are you going to do to not comply any longer? What are you going to do? I think it's necessary to draw these hard lines, but then also implement it. Make sure that the way that you are behaving externally is congruent with how you feel in your heart. The U.S. government wants you to stay fat, weak, and stupid, because if you are fat, weak, and stupid, you are compliant. But that is what serves them as the elite class of the government. But what serves the American citizens the best? What serves our country the best? You know what serves our country the best? Being strong, fit, resilient, intelligent, and having courage. Those are the things they don't want you to have, because when we implement those things, they don't stand a chance. Just remember, it's up to us to do that as individuals and as a collective. Because remember, just like my shirt says, no one is coming to fucking save you.